Yes, my people. Sincere apologies from being late. I just came back home from the stadium. Fork analysis is coming after the KZ Chiefs game, right? But we need to talk about the season opener. Orlando Pirates win 2-0 against the Milford. And this is what we always see with the Orlando Pirates, right? In terms of their performance compared to their results. They are not a team that usually performs well. I will say that much, right? But at the end of the day, they get the job done, right? Two things that they do. They make sure that they score, first of all, especially in the first half. But also, they make sure that they do not concede. And usually that combination always gives you wins. But there were huge concerns in that backline, right? We gave away a lot of chances. Give those chances to a team that has better quality and more clinical finishers. We probably go 1-0 or 2-0 down. But going into the game, man, we need to give credit to a Milford, right? These boys are ready for the PSL. And I think that performance alone, it has given me enough confidence to say they are going to stay up for the next season. Of course, you are hoping that their squad doesn't get stretched and they lose a couple of important players. Speaking of important players, the jersey number 11, wow, exceptional player, man. I like players who know how to work the tight spaces because they're important in maintaining possession, right? And relieving that pressure from your teammates. And he did that superbly. That number 4 in midfield as well, unbelievable. The jersey number 10, you can see quality is there, right? It's just not properly nurtured yet. He's going to get used to the PSL and he's going to help Milford a lot. Brilliant, well-coached team. They know what they are doing on the pitch, right? The patterns of the passing, how they escape from each situation, when they build out, when they return possession in the middle, all those things. They've mastered them. They're a professional side. So give up to them. That's the way to introduce yourself in the Betway Premiership. And for the Pirates, actually, I was very happy with the starting 11. The only surprise was up front with Umbutuma starting. I thought Uradiopane, after the preseason he had, he would be given the nod, right? But then he came on in the second half and he looked very sharp, right? Cameron Danson was partnered up with Utalent Mbata today. And I always say that, he's too good to play in that midfield, the Orlando Pirates, right? Therefore, his capabilities are going to be limited. We will not see the fullest of Cameron Danson because he operates in that system. He picks up such incredible spaces, right? Offer himself for a pass, but they just do not recognize him. I do not know, or they are not confident enough to play the ball in that channel, but he has the quality to do something when he's on the ball. And that's exactly what we saw from him, a performance of a warrior. The defensive work as well, the tackles, the interceptions. Brilliant performance, man. This is how he started last season, by the way, and then Coach Wadu phased him out by October, September there. I just hope he continues to play an important role there, that he leaves Coach Wadu with no choice but to start him in every game. Uapolis no Muremi, they are the ones who are supposed to carry us this season now. They are the shining stars. They are the best attackers we have in the team. Seasoned international players who featured in the World Cup. They are the ones who got us the goals today, right? Which is all we needed. We just needed to win this game, right? There's nothing much to assess in terms of performance, but it is a bit concerning that we are not able to control a game playing against a side that just got recently promoted. Because Bodlela was a bit shaky today, right? That's what I was saying, that we do not get punished for some of the mistakes we make at the back there. But when we face teams that have better quality, we need to make sure that we do not make such mistakes. Yeah, but anyways, man, good win, good start. Hositsile came in. I was very impressed with him as well. Lungu, in that right back position, he was phenomenal, man. He was phenomenal. I'm telling you now, after that performance, Kalungu, he's ahead of Usibilibili for me. But of course, Usibilibili is still going to start because we are used to him as more reliable. We've seen what he can do. But Ulungu, he put out a good shift today. But anyways, that is it for me. We are waiting for the KZ Chiefs game right now. The log leaders, Orlando Pirates, the defending champs. Incredible start to the season. See you on the next one. Bye.